After setting up the environment, if you remember, I have mentioned, why do we need Node.js? Why do we need Node.js to be installed for running React.js, right? Because Node.js is a backend software, and why do we need it for a working React.js project? So the main reason is that all the JavaScript applications or which run on the Node.js environment, they have this strong package manager, which is called as Node Package Manager. So let's say you want to use one module which was developed by some other person. So you can, if you want in the React, like let's say for maintaining a CSS framework, you need some other library like Material UI. And for routing into different pages, you can depend easily on another library like React Router. So React.js requires Node.js installation because in Node.js installation, even Node Package Manager is coming bundled with it. So that's the reason why React.js actually require Node.js. So if you want to run React.js standalone, you don't actually need Node.js, because ultimately React.js is converted to HTML or CSS or JavaScript at the end. But why the heck do we need a Node.js environment? It is because Node.js helps you in the development process. Okay, I can install other libraries easily. I can import them and I can reuse them. That way I can increase my development speed. So, but what exactly is the Node Package Manager? So as the name itself says that it is a package manager for the Node.js applications. Okay. So what is a package manager? So I'll give you a simple example. Let's take Android Play Store or Apple App Store, right? So what is that? Android Play Store or Apple Play Store, Apple App Store, those are the places where you find all the Android applications which can readily import it into the Android phone or tablet, and you can use them. Like there are plenty of applications, right? Like WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook. So Android Play Store is a platform where you can find all the libraries or applications which are relevant to the Android OS. Similarly, App Store. App Store is a place where you can find all the iOS based applications over there. But why do we need such a Play Store or App Store? It is because now if anybody in the world wants to develop a free application and he wants everybody to use, every other body, then he can simply build the application and he can put it on the Play Store. Whoever likes the application, they'll download it for free. And if he wants to convert it, how businesses are converting such a free application, nobody charges. I mean, most of the people don't charge you for downloading the application. But when you download, they'll consider, okay, these many people are using my application, so I can display my ads. So, but they need a common platform where all the OS based, like Windows has its Windows Store. So everybody in the world can easily develop the applications and put it on the Play Store or App Store, right? Similarly, for the JavaScript ecosystem. So in your development phase, you might come across many problems, and I already mentioned that if a problem is already solved, you don't have to solve again. So you don't have to reinvent the wheel again. So you need to have one place where you can search or you can research about it. Like, is there anybody else facing this problem, or is there anything which is already available? So I don't have to invent WhatsApp again and again. If somebody has invented a messaging platform, I can reuse that, right? So if I want to communicate to my end customer using WhatsApp, I don't have to reinvent that again. I can use WhatsApp as a platform. So NPM or Node Package Manager is such a place where you find all the JavaScript based libraries. So it's not just libraries, frameworks, everything. So NPM, the company behind the Node Package Manager. So it maintains a registry. Registry is nothing but a server. So where everybody, even I can upload a node module, NPM library. So I have uploaded mine. So I have built this library, click to deploy. So it's a small CLI based application which you can use to deploy your applications, right? So if you want to deploy it on a server, you can give bunch of commands and give all of these configurations. So it will take the SSH key and everything and you can upload. See, now if anybody wants to deploy anything in a single click, they can use this. I wanted my application to be open sourced. So NPM maintains this registry where everybody can upload their libraries. Even I did, so even you can do. And it is a CLI based, so you can check, you can install using different commands. Let me show you how you can install anything, right? And it is free of cost. Nobody has to pay anything for it. Okay, so this helps your JavaScript development very fast because you already have bunch of things. Let's imagine you don't have a library like Material UI, I mean React router. So how can you build everything to route between one page and another page, right? So that's very simple. So it is completely open source as in anybody can release anything and anybody can use that. So no restrictions or no payment required. And yeah, so if you surprisingly, if you observe that even React.js is a part of NPM. So see, even if you want to install React.js, you need to have this NPM in your system installed. So if you want to install React.js, NPM I React.js. So Angular, see Angular, even Angular is part of NPM. So any JavaScript based application, or I meant to say library or framework, everybody has to upload there in the node package manager or NPM so that rest all people can easily use it. So if you see, if I want to install anything, I'll just do npm install and the library name, so React.js, right? So it's as simple as that. But what is node package manager? It is a place where everybody uploads the softwares or libraries which run on JavaScript ecosystem.